What's up, guys? I'm Chase.
And I'm Landon. Today we're unboxing the newly released Undefeated Nike Dunk Low in this Dunk versus Air Force One colorway. Let's go.
All right, so looking at this dunk in hand, these things are actually pretty clean in hand. I personally am digging this, even though it is in all black and can't really see the details. When looking at them in hand, there is a lot of detail and a lot of thought that actually went into this all black sneaker. So personally, I do like it, and that's my first impression. What about you? What's your thoughts?
Yeah, so whenever we got this shoe online, I wasn't really sure what to expect, but these actually do look pretty solid in hand. They do have like kind of a translucent blue on the outsole for these, but that's really the only place that they get any color. Pretty much black everywhere else. You're going to have that Undefeated logo on the tongue and on the heel, but like I said, pretty tough to see with how dark the shoe is, but really not too bad. So overall, rating these 1 to 5, what are you going to give them?
You're going to hate me, but I'm going to rate it a 4 out of 5 for me. Personally, I would actually wear this shoe out. I love how it's minimal, but if you got close enough, you can see that there's so much detail. And what I mean by detail is actually one of the swooshes is completely different from the typical leather that they use. It's actually kind of like this hair material, and I think that I just really love it overall. And yeah, I'm going to lock it in at a 4 out of 5. What's your rating?
Yeah, I don't love the way you called that a hair material. It makes me uncomfortable, but I'm actually going to give these a 3.5 out of 5. So I don't love all black models. I've said that plenty of times in the past, but this being a 3.5 is actually pretty high for me because, you know, I really do love all the details. Like you said, you got the logos, you got that blue outsole to kind of pair along with those really nice details on the upper. So these did come out really clean. Not good enough to get anything higher than a 3.5 since I do kind of bag on black shoes, but not bad enough to get anything worse either. So 3.5 is where we're sticking. But that's actually going to wrap up this unboxing for the Undefeated Nike Dunk Low in this Dunk versus Air Force colorway. Thank you guys for taking some time to watch.
And if you like this shoe, definitely give this video a like. And if you don't, let us know why in the comments below. And while you're there, feel free to give these your rating 1 to 5. But until next episode,
Peace.